Hi, welcome to Julius Bar. Today we're gonna mix a new tiramisu cocktail. So I did already make a tiramisu cocktail once upon a time. I think it was 3 years ago. And while that cocktail was excellent, the recipe turned out to be a bit too difficult to replicate. More than difficult, probably just annoying, because it needed some cacao nibs to be steeped inside overproof rum for some time, filter it, and then it needed a lot of ingredients. So I was like, I want something simpler because I'm lazy. So with that in mind, I went back to the drawing board and reformulated the tiramisu drink to be easier to make. So without further ado, let's get mixing. And the recipe is gonna be 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 parts. So it's easy to remember. We are gonna start with 1 part or 7.5 milliliter of overproof dark rum. I think you can even use normal rum. I'm gonna use overproof dark rum because it gives an extra kick, but you can even use a normal dark rum, possibly with some molasses flavor. Then we go on with 2 parts or 50 milliliter of chocolate liqueur, crème de cacao à la vanille. I think this crème de cacao from Tempus Fugit is excellent, albeit a bit sweet, but that's gonna help us in this case because it's gonna pretty much be the main source of sugar for this cocktail. Then we go on with 3 parts or 22.5 milliliter of coffee liqueur, and we are gonna use my faithful Borghetti, the best in the business. And we are gonna finish with 4 parts or 30 milliliters of Marsala. I couldn't find the Florio this year, so I have this Cantine Pellegrino semi-secco. It's not as good as the Florio in my opinion, but it's decent enough. And it's semi-secco, so it's not the sweetest of the Marsala. If you have a sweet tooth, I guess you can use a really sweet Marsala too. And then now we go on with pantry ingredients. We are gonna need mascarpone cheese, and we are gonna need a insane amount. Just get like a huge spoon of it, something like this, maybe a bit more too. And then 1 egg. If you can choose, get a smaller egg, because yeah, for 1 person is gonna be enough. Then let's get some ice and let's give this bad boy a vigorous shake. Give it some action. Then we fine strain in a decently sized coupe. Give it some spoon action if needed. And let's complete the cocktail by sprinkling some cacao powder on it. And there you go! I would like to call this new version of a tiramisu cocktail a Tiramisù Believer. Cheers! That feels right. It has the special tiramisu flavor that's quite delicious. Boy, I don't know, I'm just happy. What else to say? It's probably less sweet than my previous version, which I guess makes sense because with age, as I grow older and older, I guess less sweet and less sweet taste-wise. I'm happy with the fact that I simplified the recipe by cutting down 2 or 3 ingredients. Also, this requires no previous preparation, and I guess it's gonna be the drink of the winter for this 2025. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, share with anybody you like and don't like. Shake yourself a desserty cocktail, and hopefully I will see you next time. Cheers! Tiramisù Believer.